Wander around Taourirt Kasbah, the 8 top things to do in Ouarzazate, Morocco. Ouarzazate's main historical attraction is the Taourirt Kasbah. Located on the eastern edge of the city, its fortified façade and densely packed red clay buildings were occupied by members of the Glaoui dynasty, who controlled the city in the 19th and early 20th centuries. Although it is now partly ruined, sections of the 300-room palace have been restored and can be explored on foot. Discover maze-like passageways, steep steps and dizzying ramparts in addition to recognizable features such as the harem quarters and palace kitchens. In some rooms, traces of the original stucco and woven reed ceilings remain. On the battlements, fabulous citadel and Atlas Mountains views await. The Kasbah is open every day from 8 p.m. to 6 p.m. and entry costs 10 dirhams, about $1, per adult.